Derivative of exponential and trigonometric functions. An object moves along a line so that at time t, its position is s of t equals to sine t divided by 3 plus cos 2t, where s is the displacement in meters. Calculate the object's velocity at t equals to pi by 4. Now velocity means derivative of displacement, right? So let's find derivative of the given function. Function given to us is s of t equals to sine t over 3 plus cos 2t. Now the derivative will use the quotient rule. So derivative is s dash t, which is also equals to the velocity, right? So we'll use the quotient rule. So we'll have denominator square, which is 3 plus cos 2t whole square, and the numerator derivative of sine t, which is cos t, times 3 plus cos 2t minus derivative of 3 plus cos 2t, which is derivative of cos 2t will be minus sine 2t, times derivative of 2t, which is 2, times the first function, which is sine t. So that's the derivative of the given function. Now we can slightly simplify this at this moment and write this as 3 times cos t plus cos t cos 2t minus and minus becomes plus 2 times sine t sine 2t over 3 plus cos 2t whole square. Now we need to find velocity at t equals to pi by 4. S dash t indeed is the velocity. We can write here velocity. Now velocity at t equals to pi by 4 we'll substitute pi by 4 here, right? So we have 3 times cos. So let's find out the value of sine pi by 4, cos pi by 4, and then we'll substitute those values, right? So first term is cos t. So cos t is cos pi by 4, which is equals to 1 over square root 2. And we have sine t. So sine pi by 4 is also equals to 1 over square root 2, right? And pi by 2's are concerned. So let's write pi by 2's here. So we have cos pi by 2 will be equal to 0, and sine pi by 2 will be equal to 1. So these are the values which we need to substitute here for t equals to pi by 2, right? So let's substitute these values and find the answer. So we get 3 times cos of pi by 2 will be 1 over square root 2 plus cos t. Cos t is cos pi by 2, 1 over square root 2, times cos 2t, which is 0, so we'll multiply that by 0, plus 2 times sine t is 1 over square root 2, times sine 2t, which is 1, sine pi by 2, right? All this is divided by, that means let me write this as 1 over 3 plus cos 2t, which is cos pi by 2 equals to 0, right? Whole square. So this is what we get. Correct? So this is like 1 over 3 whole square. That means divided by 3, which is 9 for us. So now we can write this as, we can take square root 2 as a common denominator. This term is indeed 0. So we are left with 3 plus 2 over 3 square is 9 and square root 2. And that is equals to 5 over 9 square root 2, right? So that becomes the velocity, and the unit should be object moves along this line with time t its position. So the units are meters, and time we are assuming to be in seconds, not really given here. So let's write meters per second for the time being, right? It's probably a misprint. So we'll write velocity as 5 over 9 square root 2 meters per second. Well, it is a good practice to always rationalize and then write your answer. So in that case, if you rationalize this, so what do you get? So our answer should be, let me rationalize this. That means multiplying by square root 2 and dividing by square root 2. So that way you get 5 square root 2 over 9 times 2, 18, right? 18. And let me write meters per second. I'm saying t in seconds, right? And at time t in seconds probably is missing here. So that is the velocity of the particle at t equals to pi by 4. Thank you.